Tired of watching your products gather dust while others fly off the shelves? Sick of guessing which item will sell out next? It's a costly game of trial and error. Imagine accurately predicting next week's bestsellers. It's possible, and today you'll learn how. In the hustle and bustle, inventory decisions often rely on gut feelings. Say you run a clothing store. Last season you stocked up on summer tees, but customers wanted light jackets. Result? Warehouses full, capital stuck. Or a supermarket betting big on gluten-free, missing the vegan demand. Without precise data, every decision is a shot in the dark. Good news, you can stop guessing. With Google Cloud AI, predictive models can optimize your inventory. Picture a tool analyzing past sales to predict future hits. It simplifies life and boosts profits. Here's how to set it up. First, access Google Cloud Platform. Create an account if needed. Go to Google Cloud Console. Second, activate the Machine Learning API. In the menu, go to APIs and Services and enable AI Platform. This unlocks machine learning features. Third, gather your sales data. Organize at least 12 months in Google Sheets. This ensures your model learns well. Fourth, import your data to Google Cloud Storage. In the console, click Storage, then Create Bucket. Upload your spreadsheet there. Fifth, create a prediction model. In AI Platform, go to Models and click Create Model. Use the time series forecasting model and link it to your data bucket. Sixth, train and test your model. Do this in the interface by clicking Train, then Evaluate. Adjust parameters until accuracy is spot on. Common mistake, not reviewing data for errors or gaps before uploading. Picture the scene after implementing this solution. You'll know exactly how many units to order, cutting idle stock by up to 40%. That's a huge boost to your bottom line. This works, and it's not just talk. You'll see financial impact in weeks. Bonus tip, integrate these predictive models into your inventory management system. This creates an automated cycle, adjusting forecasts in real time based on actual sales. It saves time and slashes error margins. Plus, if you have an e-commerce site, use these predictive insights to tweak marketing campaigns, targeting products likely to sell. If you've made it this far, you're on the right track to transform your business. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point content. Comment below with your questions or share how you're using AI in your business. We want to hear from you.